Your Metro holiday advertising service gives you free access to our MiAD Wizard, which is our online tool that enables you to personalize any of the single advertiser holiday ad templates. And the wizard is just 3 easy steps. In step 1, you're going to enter your advertiser's information. Step 2, choose a template. And in step 3, you can further customize it if you want, and you can share it or download the camera-ready PDF. So now let's go over the details of how it works. Start by logging in on the homepage. If you don't know your Metro password, you can email or call us. And then from the search menu, select MiAD Wizard. If you're already in the site, then you can click on the tab for MiAD Wizard. In step 1, if you have an advertiser already entered, you can click Find Advertiser and choose it from the list. If you don't, click Create New Advertiser and enter the business's information. If you want to add a logo, click Upload Graphic and browse your hard drive to select the logo file. And then Next. In step 2, we're going to do a search. You can use a Metro file name or you can search by keywords. Since the holiday service covers multiple holidays, use one keyword to specify the holiday. If you're looking for a specific type of business, you can add a keyword for that. Or if you just want a general ad that can be used for anyone, you can use sponsor as a keyword. You can also include keywords like religious, traditional, contemporary, or modern. And if you do end up using more than one keyword, click Exact Match, and that will search for all of the ads that include all of those keywords. You can also click More Filters if you want to filter your search by orientation or ad size. To see more ads per batch, just select from the pull down. And when you find a template that you like, click on it to select it. Now we're in step 3 and we have our personalized ad. So from here, you can do a few things. You can share it with your client either as a low resolution PDF, by email, or you can print it. Before you share it though, you will be prompted to save it. And when you save an ad, it's going to be saved into a presentation. A presentation can consist of just one ad, or you can have multiple ads that you want to show to a client. So you'll give it a job name. If you want, you can change the title, add notes, and you'll choose either an existing presentation or you can select a new one to create. And then you'll have your PDF presentation to take to your client. Now we also have the option to customize. And when you click the Customize button, it opens the side panel here. So you can change the way the advertiser's information is displayed in the ad. If you've uploaded a logo, you can place that on the ad from here. You can also adjust the size within reason. It's not going to turn a 2-column ad into a 5-column ad or change it from horizontal to vertical flawlessly. But if your column sizes are a little bit different, you can toggle between pass and SAU or select custom to type in your specific size. You can also convert it to black and white from here. So for this example, I'm going to add the logo. So I don't need the company name as text here, so I'm going to clear that. And then I'm going to click Place on Ad. I can drag and drop it where I want it to go, grab a corner to resize it, and then hit Done. If you need to go back and tweak it, just click the logo again. Okay, and I want to save the ad. I saved it initially. I made changes to it, so I can hit Save to save it with the updated changes. Now, one little trick for production users, if you don't want any of the advertiser information to show on the ad, when you customize, instead of just removing the company name, you can clear each one of these fields, and that will leave a blank spot so that if your advertiser has a specific font that they need to use, or if you want to lay it out a little bit differently, maybe they have several different locations that they want to include, you can clear out all these spots, and that will leave the whole contact area blank, and then you can download the camera ready PDF and overlay your text boxes in your layout program. Now, if the ad is perfect the way it is, you have the option to download a camera ready PDF that's ready for production or in JPEG format. Or if you need to do a lot of customizing to the ad, you can choose production files. That takes you into the More Options window in the Creative Library, where you can choose to download the InDesign or Quark package. This is going to be our original generic template. It won't have the advertiser's information, but this way, if you have a lot of changes to make, you can do it right from the layout program. If you want to give your advertiser different options to choose from, you can click Change Template on the left, and that will take you back to step 2. You may want to give them multiple design options, or consider taking out an ad for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's and selling 3 holidays at once. So let's say you want a Thanksgiving ad. I'm going to remove the Christmas sponsor keywords here and choose a Thanksgiving template. It's going to replace the advertiser's information into the new template. If you're using a logo, you may just need to reposition it. And now to save it, you want to make sure that you use Save As instead of Save. You'll use Save if you're going to update an ad with changes, but to create a new ad, you want to use Save As. And we can add it back to the same presentation, and we can do the same thing for a New Year's ad. So when you're ready to view your presentation, you can click Open Presentation on the left, and that will show you all of the ads that you have saved to that presentation. So you can share or download each of these ads individually, just like you would have from step 3 in the wizard. Or you can share the entire presentation by clicking the Share button at the top. And here's an example of a PDF. So when you share a presentation, it shows you all of the ad templates together. If you're in person with your client and you have a tablet or a laptop with internet connection, you can use the Present button, and you can scroll through the ads right on the screen with them. Now, if you want to jump in and view your presentations from anywhere, you can click the Saved Presentations button at the top, and that will show you all the presentations for your entire company. You can filter it by advertiser and sales rep, and when you find one that you want to view, just click the folder for View Presentation. And the path along the top here shows you, this would be your account name here, so you can see all the presentations for your account. This would be the particular advertiser. It'll show you all the presentations for that advertiser. And then this is going to be the current presentation that you're in now. For more videos on how to use the holiday service, you can go to our support menu, select Video Tutorials, and look for the Holiday Advertising Service section. If you have any questions or any trouble using the wizard, please reach out to Metro's Client Services team at 800-223-1600, or you can email us at service@metro-email.com.